Now we're going to look at doing it standing up. And so the big mistake people make, and again it's written in the text this way, is that then when they empty out, they try to pull the belly in and up. So the muscles are still firm, they're still active. What you have to trust to do is keep this totally relaxed. And I promise you, if you relax your belly, your guts won't fall out. So many people are so reticent to let go, and so we see this tightness in diaphragms, we see the tightness around the large intestine, the pelvic floor is contracted, the belly's tight, we collapse on it. So as best you can, learn to relax. And again, it takes time. If you've spent a lifetime of holding these muscles tight, it takes practice. And it really is just practice. If you do a little bit each day, it will come along. Or work with your teacher as well. So I'm going to exhale out, and then I'm going to totally relax this. You'll see it relaxed, and then I'm going to do the false inhale, which just creates a negative pressure that draws the belly in and up. Okay, so away we go. Exhale. False inhale. Then you would go again. So this is Uddiyana Bandha. 3 or 4 a day is plenty when you're learning. Always empty stomach. 3 to 4 hours empty stomach. So when you wake up is best. If you're doing it later in the day, no food 3 to 4 hours, because it can cause a disturbance and a problem if you have food in your belly. And in a sec, when I sit down again, we'll talk about some contraindications. Now, in the next video, in the next thing we'll offer to you, once you practice for a little while, you can start to have a look at how you then might apply Nali. So Nali is isolating the rectus abdominis. This practice has to be mastered first, but Nali looks like this. Really powerful practice, transforms energies, creates incredible heat, detoxes the body, but we'll talk about that later and train you in that in the next video. Master this first, practice it each day, empty stomach, really ramp your practice up.